Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and today we're going to answer a viewer's comment on one of our videos, specifically the one on how to file a modification petition for child support. So the question was, what does it mean to have a document time-stamped? What is a timestamp?
So when you are filing your own petition or doing your own filing with the courts, you don't have an attorney who's doing it, and you take that petition up to the court and you submit it to be filed, they will stamp it. What that means is it is sealing and locking in time the date and the exact time in which the court received that document from you. That is the timestamp. It says on this date at 4 o'clock, you submitted this document to the court.
And the follow-up is, why is it important to have a timestamp?
It's very important, and whenever you're filing your own petitions, bring two copies, one for the court and one for yourself. You keep that copy for yourself because, let's be honest, people are not perfect. They make mistakes, and this includes the court. They lose things. Sometimes things get misplaced. If you don't have a record, showing that you filed that said document, it doesn't exist. So your copy, when time stamped, you may produce as evidence before the clerk or the court saying, I filed this on February 14th, 2021 at 2 p.m. See, your court stamped it.